I'm going to play a blues song by the fabulous Memphis Minnie. And if you don't know about her, check her out. She was pretty amazing. It's called Chickasaw Train Blues. I might tell everybody what that Chickasaw have done to me. I might tell everybody what that Chickasaw have done to me. She done stole my man away and blow that doggone smoke on me. She's a low-down dirty dog. Ain't no woman like to ride that Chickasaw. Ain't no woman like to ride that Chickasaw. 'Cause everywhere she saw, she's stealing some woman's good man. Oh, she's a low-down dirty dog. I told that devil this morning, I don't think she treats me right. I told that devil this morning, well, I don't think she treats me right. He done sold my man a ticket. That Chickasaw leaving town tonight. He's a low-down dirty dog. I started walking down that railroad track. Chickasaw wouldn't even let me ride the line. I started walking down that railroad track. You know, Chickasaw, she wouldn't even let me ride the line. She starts picking up men right all up and down that line. She's a low-down dirty dog. Chickasaw don't pay no woman no mind. Why Chickasaw, she don't pay no woman no mind. She starts picking up men right all up and down that line. She's a low-down dirty dog. Happy festivities, Count by Count West.